Now somebody's living their best life here, just riding the ride, letting somebody else do the work. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Matheson Hammock. And the rat's nest is being pulled out. I have no clue what happened while they were out on the water, but this line is all kinds of messed up now. So we got somebody on the dock, Cap's left the boat, it's just the ladies, and they're trying to get the line sorted, while trying to stay off the dock as well. I'm assuming we're not going to try and power on, but I'm not even sure how they're going to pull it on. So somebody, it appears, is in the water, I believe. Yep, lining them up. I mean, it is a jet boat, so it doesn't draft a lot. So, I mean, they don't got to get too far, but they finally get it over. Now we just got to get the trailer back into the water and then try and get him pulled on. So the ladies hanging onto the dock still. Our guy's trying to get it set up. Driver eyeballs it with the door open. And they're tossing a second end of the line back out to the ladies again to try and get this straightened out. Kind of a strange loading process. And here comes our guy out of the truck. Gonna walk it down. He goes down! It's slick, kind of gives the shrug like whatever, but man, the ramp is slick today, and I guess we're not going to load at all. My man, he's loosening up the winch strap, so I'm assuming, I mean, this is pretty far out, is going to try and drag him all the way up. Be careful. I hate when I see people do this because you got to remember there's an axle down there, at least one, and I didn't pay attention if this was a double axle trailer or not, but you're going to be stepping over stuff, and man, you're going to bang that shin up somewhere. On a crossbeam or the axle, every time I watch somebody do this, they pretty much always hit one or the other. And the boat's still pretty far out. Our guy, there we go. I was like, maybe somebody can walk it up to him a little bit. So the guy in the dock's trying to walk it up. And I mean, he's got this thing pulled way out on the winch strap. Probably would have been a whole lot easier just to try and power load this thing, but they're just going to drag it on. And back in the distance, watch the white truck. They are stuck. So backing up, going to try one more time. Been a tough one down here today. The first ramp that we're looking at, closest to us, everybody's gotten stuck on that one. And then, of course, the last ramp, the furthest one that we really don't have a good shot at. I've been hearing tires scream all day down at that ramp as well. But he's got a pretty good sized boat back there too. It's probably not quite loaded right, but there could be stuff on the dock as well, or the ramp. I mean, I can't see that far down. But no, he goes again and is denied again. Another one of these strange loads today. I've watched several people just like this. They're not power loading the boat. They're trying to pull them on, but man, that trailer doesn't look anywhere near deep enough to try and pull this boat on. And standing on the trailer like that, you are just asking for trouble, bro. Like on this one, I'm just waiting for my man to fall. And it looks like he's loaded wrong, so he's trying to push it back off now. but it almost looks stuck. He's going to walk back up. There's no way you're getting this on from this distance. I'm not sure exactly what the thought process is here. I mean, my thought process by filming this is that I think my man's going to fall. So I'm watching him, and he's actually been on this trailer for quite a while now. And trying to get it. So he's still trying and pulling, but man... So his buddy on the dock looks like he's talking to him finally, like, bro, you're not going to be able to get that up there. And he's like, yeah, man, I got it, but no, you don't got it. So... his boy on the dock... looks like he's walking back. And he's going to get into the truck. So finally we're going to try and move this truck, it looks like. Guys, I'm not even going to lie. They have been at this for over 20 minutes. Literally, I mean, it's crazy how long my man's been sitting here on this trailer trying to pull the boat up before the light bulb finally went off saying, hey, maybe if we back the trailer a little deeper, life might be a whole lot easier. Now, I don't typically recommend you backing the trailer up with somebody on the trailer like this, because if my man falls, likely the driver's not even going to know. So, let's see how this one fares. So, looks like one of the wifeys is getting in the... oh no, she pulled a kid out of the truck. That's strange. So the kid's been sitting in the truck the whole time, which is fine, I guess. I don't know why she just pulled him out now. So our guy in the trailer's like, back it up, bro. And we're just at a standstill for some reason. The guy in the trailer is getting agitated now. Like, what are you doing, man? Come on. It looks like he's trying to tell him to pull the e-brake up. That is 100% the problem. Our guy who got in the truck to back this down doesn't understand the emergency brake. And he's going to have to get off the trailer to go release it for the guy. That is great. I mean, I guess in today's day and age, some people may not understand that, but... I mean, come on, guys. So we're back at it again, and I can't say much. My man standing on the trailer, once again, has been on this for over 20 minutes. And the light bulb only went off a few minutes ago, or a few moments ago, that they needed to back the trailer further down. So, looks like our process is finally moving forward after we determine the trailer needs to be deeper and after we learn how to release an emergency brake. Quite a day for these guys, but he looks like he should be pretty good now. The trailer, they should be able to get this one on. And hopefully get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.